Hello friends, in this video we are going to see about loops in Python. Actually, loop statement which allows us to execute a statement or group of statements multiple times. Okay. So there are three different loops are available. One is while loop, and the other one is for loop, and the third one is nested loop. When it comes to while loop, we don't know the number of iterations. It will iterate n number of times until the conditions are met. Once the condition is met, it will come out of the loop. That is the purpose of while loop. Okay. Coming to for loop, when you know the range, for loop especially used in sequence, maybe in a list or a tuple, a dictionary. So here you can use for loop. When you know the range, then you can use for loop. Okay. Coming to nested loop, which is a loop inside a loop, while loop inside a while loop, or for loop inside a for loop, a for loop inside a while loop. Such a way, nested loop is loop inside a loop. Okay. So now we will see the examples for all of three. Just assume that I'm giving a equal to 5, okay, while a greater than 2, okay, print hello. When a value is greater than 2, then it will print hello. So actually it is greater than 2 only here because I have given 5, okay. So see, we have not given any exit statement or any condition over here. It is getting executed n number of times, so it won't stop. It will go like indefinitely. Okay, so what you have to do, you can give any other additional condition here. So I am giving a minus equal to 1. Okay, now let me pass the code here, rerun the code. So you know, right, a minus 1 equal, in the sense a equal to a minus 1, that is the logic. So a value will be reduced each and every time when the loop is getting executed. A value will be reduced. A value is greater than 2, so 3, 4, 5, 3 times the loop is getting executed and then it is stopped. So hello, hello, hello got printed 3 times. This is the concept of while loop. You don't know the number of iterations. When the loop met the condition, then it will get out of the loop. That is what while loop. Okay. So then the next one is for loop. Coming to for loop, when you know the specific range, usually for loop is used in sequences. Okay, sequence in the sense string, tuple, dictionary, list. These are called as sequence. So let me take a list. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So this is a list. If you want, you can check using type of A. It's a list. Okay. So here I'm going to use for loop. What we can do, for I in a print I. So I is just a reference. Okay, it will refer and it will print each and every value individually. It will check each and every value individually. That is the reason for loop is being used. When you know the limit, when you know the range, then you can use for loop. So it is printing all the values which is present inside the list. Okay, I is just a reference. This is the purpose of for loop. Coming to nested loop. Loop inside a loop. Okay, for I in range 5. So which means this is 0 value will be 0 to 4. It will be counted 0 to 4. Okay, and for j in range 2, I'm giving, which means 0 and 1. 0 to 1. Semicolon. Print I, comma j. So here you can see the result. I in range, you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So for loop inside a for loop. So it is taking each and every condition. So 0, 0, 0, 1, then condition is done. And again it is going back and taking from here 1, 0, 1, 1. Condition is done. Such a way this is getting executed. This is the purpose of nested loop. So that's all about loops in Python. If you have any questions, please put down in the comment section. I will definitely answer those questions. Thank you.